Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop. To check your manufacturing date, you're going to have to check the back side of your laptop. So let me turn it around for you. Here we have this sticker, and on the sticker we can check the service tag, the other number, I'm not sure what it is, and at the very top we can see the manufacturing year, which is 2025, and that's basically the closest thing we can get to the manufacturing date on this laptop. Besides, we can also enter the BIOS menu and check for some more info. To enter the BIOS menu, we're going to have to turn off the PC. So go to the Start menu, go to Power Options, select Shutdown. Wait until your device is turned off. Then short press the power button and start repeatedly pressing F2 button until you enter the BIOS menu. And here in the BIOS menu, we can also check the ownership date. And besides, we can also check the more precise manufacture date in here. So for me, it's 25 of February 2025. And that's basically it. To exit the BIOS menu, press Escape. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.